Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the new video. Today is Monday morning, and we are going to Adi Yogi Isha Foundation, which is in Chikbalapur. So we have Prasad sir on his Domino 400. The Sai Kiran, you must have known him. You must have known him. He's on Triumph 400, and we on our Zorro, which is Himalayan 450. So we are going to Chikbalapur, which is like 45 kilometers from here. And right now I'm in Kogilu. I started from my home at 5:50, most probably. Yeah, 5:50 I started. I reached here. I have to wait here 10 minutes because Prasad sir arrived late. No worries about that. But now we are ready to go. So it will take like 30 minutes from here because the roads are very nice. Means it's a straight road usually. And after leaving the toll, we won't get any traffic, so we can cruise easily at 100. So let's go.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know why I stop when I'm feeling this way.
Yeah, it's fun.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on safe.
What a pace it is!
All straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots. Are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots. Yeah, straight.
And there's a beautiful sunrise. Guys, I'm using a little different setting than usual. I'm using I was off this stabilization actually, so you can see a very shaky footage. And one more thing, guys, how you like ND Filters clips? Were you able to feel any difference between my previous vlogs and my last vlog? I thought that last vlog was better in terms of quality because I was using the ND filters for the first time. I think it's a good investment for now, and it definitely ups your content game. Oh, it's fantastic. There's a beautiful sunrise going on the right side. What you want more in your life? Your favorite bike, empty roads, and a beautiful sunrise going on. Chikbalapur, it's showing 29 kilometers. So we can cover it like 20 minutes. 20 minutes is also more. But I am only worried of the speed cameras, if there are any.
And I wanna get lost. I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. Taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus.
Green Beast.
Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop up. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
Okay, so we have taken a left turn from the main road, and from here it's like 4 kilometers. So me and Sai are connected via Bluetooth. Oh, means I have inbuilt Bluetooth in my helmet. He is connected via Bluetooth on WhatsApp call. So it's not as good as intercom, but काम चला हुआ है. At high speed, it's very hard to hear each other's, but at 60-70s, it's good. So those who don't have intercom can use this jugaad. I have to do a quick breakfast, because yesterday night also I haven't ate anything after returning from a ride. So I need something to eat. It was a decent ride till now. And most of the guys must be wondering why is he going on a ride on a Monday morning. Doesn't he have an office and all? Yes, I know I have my work and I have an interview scheduled at 11 o'clock. But where I have to go is near from this location, not at this side, but considering my room, I can cover it. Means I can reach at 11 o'clock. So I planned it yesterday night only at 11 o'clock that I am ready to go. And I can manage my time and reach 11 o'clock for the meeting as well. So I planned it. That's all, guys. It's not like I'm just ignoring my work and all. I have to do. Work is on its place and riding is in its place. Blabbering me. Three. UPI. UPI. Okay, guys, we have reached here. So we have to pay 20 rupees parking charges, and as expected, no one is here. Not even can't say not even a single. We 3 are there, and I can see some of the bikes here. So let's park and go inside. Welcome to Sadhguru's Sanidhi. Okay, so we have reached. I'll show you how it is in the surrounding. So here is the parking, and उधर से आपको इधर फुटवेयर जमा करना पड़ता है, and we can collect footwear near the statue. And this is the main entry. It's cool, but I'll show you from inside also. So this statue is like 102 feet tall, and it's completely made up of steel welded together. And they used a tower crane for construction of this. And every day at 7 p.m. there is one light show for 15 minutes. It's done by help of lasers. See these 2 towers you can see, they project lasers onto the statue. Okay, we have done the darshan and all, and now we are going to have breakfast because we all 3 are totally hungry. So here only they have the provision of breakfast. So we'll go there and check it out if breakfast is ready or not. Guys, ये है सतीश जी की अपनी पर्सनल बाइक which is Honda African Twins. सतीश जी को बहुत शौक है बाइक्स का, तो हर जगह उन्होंने ऐसा बाइक्स रख दिया है, जब भी इधर आते हैं तो वो राइड करते हैं. दिस इज Honda African Twins. दिस इज 1200 cc. कुछ मेंशन नहीं है मॉडल, बट डिज़ाइन से पता चलता है. ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस व्लॉग. मेन मोटो था दर्शन करने आना था, तो वो हो गए एंड आई एम हैप्पी एंड आई एम फीलिंग वेरी गुड बिकॉज इट्स अ गुड स्टार्ट फॉर द वीक. तो ठीक है, सी यू गाइस, मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय बाय, टाटा.